Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera as a webcam for Windows and Mac computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Canon mirrorless camera. So right now the camera you are seeing is a Canon M50 Mark II camera. So if you're using a Canon M50 or any other Canon mirrorless or DSLR camera, still the tricks will remain the same. So for this you need a Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera, and the second thing you need is a micro USB cable. So you can see here micro USB cable, and the other port is a type A USB cable which is going to be inserted in our Raspberry computer. So these two things, firstly you will be needing it. Then now let us jump to our Raspberry computer. So now on your Raspberry computer, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application name as EOS Webcam Utility, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it and just scroll down below, and now you will see here compatible applications. So these are the applications which are gonna support this application. So you can see here everything like Zoom, Skype, so and so, and even it supports the open broadcast software, that is the OBS. And below you can see here compatible cameras. Just click on it. Now you can see the Raspberry compatible Canon mirrorless or DSLR cameras. So you can see here. So right now for this video tutorial I'm gonna using a US M50 Mark II. So if you're using any one of this which is being available on this list, then you can try these cool tricks. And even if your Canon mirrorless or DSLR camera is not present on this list, still you can try and let us know in the comments below. So just scroll down below. So here is the software download option. So for Windows you can just click on download, and for Mac OS you can click on download here. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. Now just click on download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you can read the instructions if you want to read. So here you can see here, to install the US Webcam utility, please run the setup.exe. So now just double click on this setup. Now just click on next, click on next again. Now click on I accept the terms in the license agreement, click on next again. Now select your folder where you want to install this software. So I'll keep it as it is. Click on next, click on install. Wait for a few seconds. Now click on install. So finally the installation has been completed successfully. Now just click on finish. So once the EOS webcam utility is being installed, now connect your Raspberry Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera with your Raspberry computer by using a micro USB data cable. So let me connect my Canon mirrorless camera with my Raspberry computer. So finally my Canon mirrorless camera is being connected with my Raspberry computer. Now let us try to open any webcam or camera application. Now you can see here it automatically detected my EOS webcam utility software, and right now you can see it's perfectly working. If I click on this video mode, still it's working perfectly. Now let us take our picture in the picture mode. So let me click on it. So let us check. So you can see here it's working perfectly. Let us try the video also if it works or not. Now let me try to record a video. So let me stop recording. Let's try to play the video. So you can see it's perfectly working fine. Right, so you can see here it's perfectly working here. So let us try with the other compatible software like OBS. So I have already installed it. So if you have not installed, then just download the OBS Studio software. Once you open this OBS Studio software, firstly what you need to do is just click on this plus icon and just select this video capture device. Click on OK. Now it will automatically detect your EOS webcam utility, and when you can see the preview, now click on OK. You can just resize the screen frame size, so you can see here it's perfectly working fine. Now in order to start streaming or video recording, you can see here there are some options. So if you want to record a video, then just click on record. Now it will start recording, and once the recording is done, you can just click on stop recording and it will automatically get set. So by using this method, you can easily use your Canon mirrorless or DSLR camera as a webcam for Windows and Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.